Good evening from Grand Family Farm. It's February 24th, 2025, about 4:40, and the rain has stopped, and there's a lot of water everywhere. Ground's really mushy. And along my fence line there is a lot of water, like a small pond. Yep, you can see this. It's really soft. I'm down here to feed these animals for this evening, and you can probably hear how hungry they think they are. So I better get on it because they're complaining. There's two feeders, girls. I tell you. All right, all the livestock's fed, and I got my eggs. I got 8 eggs, but I think half of those are from yesterday. I forgot down here. Like it didn't freeze last night. So they're all good to go for tonight. It was nice to see the blue in the sky. The clouds are parting here and there. So we got quite a few clouds. Need more sunshine. Hopefully tomorrow it's sunnier and some of this mud starts drying up because it's starting to get deep. Yeah, can't wait until spring.